Okay, hello everyone. Today I got the interesting match. Chinese female world champion request me. Yeah, I think it's a very exciting game. I'm gonna handle the black, and she is white. I think I know her. But yeah, even I think that when I was young, I was studying in my how to say. One of my teacher was handling the academy in China, and I think she was a student, before. It will be exciting match. Yeah, anyway, let's enjoy. I'm gonna use the black, and this is 15 seconds Boyomi game. Here, this way, that means she wanna handle the left hand side. What beginning should I use this time? Just answer first. She may just answer it this way. Then I'm gonna use this too. And this might be next step. There are many choices. Yes. And she can answer tiger's mouth or knight's move here. Those things are possible. When she answers that, I can even consider to play this move. Alright. If original me, I think I'm not used this kind of move. She will attach and kick here and then pincer here. That's common move, right? That is normal. Yeah, I think pincer around here is good. Can I even invade here? Okay, let me jump first. This jump is so attractive. Jump first and then okay, she played here. This invasion is so attractive, I think. Yeah, now this fighting control seems not bad for me too. Yeah, somehow she need to jump or play somewhere like that. Okay. If I jump, she will really play here. Should I play like that? It doesn't seem good for me. I cannot find a better move. Okay. The shape very weird. But one of the good part is when I hane here, my power is very good. If she has to answer by extending, then I think it's okay, not that bad exchange. Oh, really? Now already? In the Boyomi game, holding up the Boyomi is also quite important for the important situation. Okay. She decided to make it larger. She gave up the edge part there. Okay, I'm giving here everything to her. It's okay, I can get the right hand side after this fighting. Hana is still painful. Oh, her performance is like going here, there, everywhere. Okay, this is, I said that it was painful, isn't it? Still painful, still. Oh. Okay, fine. Retrade again, retrade. She may capture this back, and then she may accept me to break there. Then retrade again, retrade. Oh, is very patient. Super patient now. Will it be bad exchange? I'm not really confident when I was putting this move, as you've seen it. Because sometimes I'm not sure too. Okay, make her heavy first. Just feels good. White need to accept. Yeah, she cannot do any Atari here? That's possible. Okay, I can accept. Then, by the way, here has Aji there. There is some Aji. Fine. Dang, attach, and then she will answer. Is it just feels like happy? Like got much stronger than just now. I'll tell you here. Let's find out the good shape there. I think Atari here is not a good idea. First, I have to attach first. It seems so big, right? I agree. But there, I have a Aji. Okay. Don't exchange anything is the point. Right now, white is also not that strong. But now black nearly survived there. Black is very thick. And here, corner, still there is Aji too. Okay, now I gave up everything. What I'm going to getting back is the control of the fighting. Oh. I should play. I should hane. No other move. Oh. Crazy fighting. Accept. Everywhere is messing around now. And definitely they are going to have a capturing race. Last Boyomi. Last Boyomi.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Okay. I should block. This is I cannot give this. Even though this is gonna be dead, I need to block. Anyway.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Yeah, I was waiting for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So exactly that you're saying.
넷, 다섯, 여섯.
But still, what if I'm patient again? I still patient.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Her opinion is now this was making me worse.
하나, 둘, 셋,
I was greedy. Didn't I exchange this was greedy?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 두 번 남았습니다.
Oh, danger.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 마지막입니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
What is this? If I have to play like that, then there I must exchange this, even though that's bad exchange.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
Not that easy. Agree?
하나, 둘,
Not that easy.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Not that easy. Wow, almost dead. How come? How come almost dead?
하나,
I just was holding up the one bad exchange, nothing else. But almost dead.
하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘,
I was too much. I was too much. I was too much. I was too much.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Oh. I think I'm dead. Today, somehow, The game is not played by how I was thinking.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
Capturing race is impossible now.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하나,
I need to resign clearly. I think it's time to resign. I really don't know what I'm doing now. Oh, okay. All that, how come?
둘, 셋, 넷.
Will she accept my revenge match? Revenge? Sorry, she doesn't play. Oh, it's not good today. How many games am I losing? Even here I fought where I was still not good. Maybe that was not my style, that's why. Okay, I don't like my game quality too. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching this video, then see you guys next time. Bye!